Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your ANZ internet banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will guide you through on this video, and then you can log into your ANZ bank account as well. First of all, open up a Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for ANZ login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will now be on your screen. You can just click on the first link that pops up. And here, this will take you to the official website of ANZ Bank. And on the top right corner of the screen, you can see a login button. Just click on login and then you'll be transported to a different page where now you need to input your personal details to log into your bank account. Here, just input your customer registration number right here and then your passport. And then you can log into your internet banking account. But in case you forgot your login details, you can just use this button, forgot login details, to help you reset and retrieve it. Now after inputting your credentials correctly, just tap on login and then you'll be logged in into your ANZ internet banking account. And that's how you can log in into your ANZ bank account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.